Hey and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing a TFL release. The TFL tends to be a very overactive muscle, and the reason why it is overactive is because it works in all three planes of motion, the sagittal, frontal, and transverse planes. It's also in a corner location of the hip, so it's facing the front, the side right on the corner. The TFL flexes the hip and also abducts and rotates the hip. Again, working in all three planes of motion. When this muscle gets overactive, it can cause many muscular imbalances, performance pain, and one way to see if this muscle is overactive is by performing a squat test. So if you notice that your knees are caving inward, it's a good sign that the TFL may be overactive. One important thing to keep in mind is that when this muscle is active in one plane, it gets overactive in all planes. So it will affect all planes of motion. So I'm going to place the roller right on that space outside of the hips, but you want to have the roller a bit to the front corner so what you want to do is take your knees and drop it down until you touch the floor. This will line up perfectly to push into the TFL. You want to stay there for about 20 to 30 seconds to release. Also, just to mention, if you are very tight in this muscle, you can bend the straight leg a bit to give it a break so the muscle isn't pulled tight and we can actually apply more pressure into it.